Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here. You're gonna learn about get minutes. So let me give you an example. It just as the name suggests, it just give you the minute. So let me bar birthday equals new date. Use the date constructor, and inside there, what we're gonna put is September and 2 comma 2000. Yeah, I'm 18, and now 23 and 15 30. This not be exact though. And what we're gonna do now is log it in a console, use birthday.getMinutes. And by that we will get the minutes. It's 15. So this is what it does, just give the minutes what it is. So hope you guys understand this video, and if you had any problems, so hit me in the comments. And that's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.